Aloha everyone. So this Tuesday was closing day for one of my clients on a beautiful brand new condo in Wailea. We actually put this penthouse unit under contract more than 3 years ago and have just been waiting for construction to be completed. So the developer handed over keys a couple of days ago, and in this video I'm going to do a quick tour of this really special property. But first, a quick reminder that I released a previous video discussing my commitment to making donations to aid the recovery from the Lahaina fires for every property I sell until August of next year. Even though we went under contract on this property years before the fire, I'm still going to make that donation. Now, I received a lot of comments on that video suggesting that I make donations directly to the families that were impacted by the fire. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll share exactly where the donation is going and how much. Okay, let's go take a look at the property. This is a brand new penthouse condo in the new development in Wailea Hills called La'iloa. The floor plan for this particular condo is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath plus den. And it's a massive 2,587 square foot of interior living space. Just look at how huge this great room is and how nicely it flows right into the kitchen. The lanai is equally impressive with 778 square foot of usable space outdoors, and it has these incredible ocean views. I'll zoom in to show you the views of Molokini off in the distance. I actually saw my first whale jump of the season from this lanai the day we did the final walkthrough. You'll notice that the lanai also has an outdoor barbecue grill and food prep area. Okay, so let's head back inside and take a look at the floor plan and finishes. You can actually see the den area straight ahead. And we'll do a quick walk through the kitchen area as we head towards the primary bedroom. Notice the kitchen does have a gas stove, which is a rare luxury for condos on Maui. Also notice the bar area straight ahead, complete with a wine fridge. Okay, so let's head over to the primary bedroom. This bedroom has beautiful ocean views. It's also connected to the lanai. You can actually see the West Maui Mountains off in the distance. We'll zoom in here so you can see the windmills as a landmark. Now, the day I shot this video was pretty windy and the visibility was pretty low, but you get the idea. From here, we're going to go take a quick look at the walk-in closet. And then walk through the primary bathroom. See, it does have a dual vanity sink, very nice tub, and separate shower area. By the way, there is pretty incredible ocean views from that window. I just didn't walk close enough to capture it in this video. So now we're going to head down the hall and take a quick look at the second bedroom and bathroom. So one of the property types that I specialize in as a Maui real estate broker is helping my clients purchase directly from the developer on new projects just like this. I actually spent 10 years on Maui as a project engineer and architectural consultant, so that experience does help me to better advise my clients compared to your average real estate salesperson that doesn't have any construction experience. Here's a quick peek at the laundry room, and as you can see, the owner does have some vendors that are coming in and getting the space ready for occupancy. Alright, so straight ahead here is the half bath. That's the powder room at the entrance. And as we turn the corner here, we're heading into the third bedroom and bathroom. And of course, a tour of a la'i loa at Wailea Hills condo just wouldn't be complete without taking at least one more look at these gorgeous ocean views. So that's it for the quick tour. I know my clients are super excited to move in. So this particular condo isn't for sale, but if you're interested in owning a new condo here in Wailea, let me know. I do know a few units that are coming available for sale in the near future. Okay, now as promised, let's talk about the details of my donation. I wanted to find a charity that donated funds directly to families that were impacted by the fire. But at the same time, I didn't necessarily feel comfortable picking and choosing exactly which families did and did not receive the donations. The charity that I selected that solves both those problems is the Help Maui Rise GoFundMe account. And in particular, it's their one-click donation, which disperses the funds equally to all the families that have GoFundMe accounts set up to receive aid from the Maui wildfires. And you can actually see my donation at the top of the list right now for $2,500. As we scroll down the website here, you can see that they explain exactly where the money is going. As you can see, all the donations will go directly to the families who are listed on Help Maui Rise, which is a spreadsheet that they created with all the individual families that were impacted by the Maui wildfires. They go on to say that they have vetted each individual listing and that GoFundMe.org will be taking care of the distribution directly to each one of the families. Also worth noting that this charity is a 501c3 public charity, so donations should be tax deductible, but make sure to check with your personal tax advisor to confirm that any donations would be tax deductible in your personal circumstances. I'll provide a link to this GoFundMe page in the description down below in case you're interested in making a donation of your own. So now you know where my first donation is going, and I hope there will be many more over the course of the next year. Do me a favor and smash the thumbs up button if you like the charity selection. If you have another favorite charity you'd like to recommend, feel free to write it in the comment section down below. As always, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos on Maui real estate and updates on Maui's recovery from the Lahaina fire. And feel free to reach out to me directly for real estate services. I hope to see you on the next video. Aloha.